Hey everyone! Today I want to show you how to check your CPU temperature in Windows 10. First, you need to open your favorite browser. Once your browser is open, you need to type WinFo in the address bar. After typing WinFo, click on the Enter key. After clicking on the Enter key, a new page will open. In the new page, you need to click on the first link. After clicking on the first link, the link will open in front of you. As soon as the link opens, you will see a download button at the top. Click on it. After clicking on the download button, the download section will start opening. As soon as the download section opens, you need to scroll down. After scrolling down, you need to see if your Windows is 32-bit or 64-bit. This depends on your computer. If your laptop is 32-bit, you need to select 32-bit. If your laptop is 64-bit, you need to select 64-bit. After that, you need to go down and click on the free download button. After clicking on the free download button, a few options will appear in front of you. You need to click on Local. After clicking on Local, you will see a pop-up on the right side of the screen showing how the download is progressing. Once the download is complete, you will see a button called Show in Folder. Click on it. After clicking on Show in Folder, the download section of your computer will open. As soon as the download section opens, you need to double-click on the file you just downloaded. After double-clicking on the file, a new page will open in front of you. Before you do anything else, you need to see if you have a 64-bit or 32-bit version of Windows. If you have a 64-bit version, you need to double-click on the top set. If you have a 32-bit version, you need to double-click on the bottom set. For example, I have a 64-bit version of Windows, so I will double-click on the top set. After double-clicking on the set, it will start showing up in the taskbar of your laptop. Now, double-click on it. You need to click on Sensors. After clicking on Sensors, a new page will open. In this page, you need to scroll down. After scrolling down, you need to find CPU package. This is the CPU temperature. Right-click on CPU package and click on Add to Tray. After clicking on Add to Tray, you need to turn off all the other tips. Now, you will see your laptop's temperature in the tray. You can see it anytime. This is how you can check your CPU temperature in Windows 10. I hope this tutorial was helpful.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.